Driven by a passion for excellence and a posture for positive change, Dr. Jacquiline Bisasor-McKenzie has spearheaded significant improvements in Jamaica's public health system during her over 20-year tenure.
What drives me is my goal to make things better. I am not about coming into a position and accepting what is there. I don't accept the status quo. I believe that if things need to be changed, then we should recognize it and we should do something about it.
Her outstanding contribution to the work of securing the health of the Jamaican population and saving lives, particularly in the management of the COVID-19 pandemic, and her work in emergency disaster management and emergency medical services has been recognized by the government. For these works, she was awarded Jamaica's 6th highest honor, the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, on National Heroes Day 2022.
It is really something to be recognized by your country for the work that you do. Realizing that you're not carrying out the work to get an award, you're really carrying out the work to the best of your ability. And for that to be recognized is a great honor. I mean, the work is not my work alone. This award is a culmination of a lot of events in my life that I think a lot of persons have contributed to.
Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie has amassed 25 years of experience in the healthcare system and counting. Her achievement comes in the wake of much preparation and hard work. She earned her bachelor's degree in science, medicine and surgery, as well as a master's degree in public health and Doctor of Medicine in Emergency Medicine at the University of the West Indies. Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie has represented Jamaica at various national, regional and international meetings. She also served as a member of the Caribbean Health Disaster Coordinators Committee, on the board of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management ODPEM, and as president of the Jamaica Emergency Medicine Association. After medical school, she became a medical officer in the Accident and Emergency Department at the Spanish Town Hospital, where she completed her internship. In 2000, Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie pursued postgraduate training in emergency medicine at the University of the West Indies and returned to work at Spanish Town Hospital as head of the Accident and Emergency Department. She served there for 10 years.
It was an exciting time because I had the opportunity to make several changes in the Accident and Emergency Department at Spanish Town Hospital, really making it a place where emergency medicine was practiced.
Her interest in emergency management was noticed by the Ministry of Health, and Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie was recruited in 2014 to join the team there as the Director of Emergency Medical Services (EMS), which was a fairly new specialty area at the time. While in the position, she revived interest in the pre-hospital emergency services and collaborated with the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the Tourism Enhancement Fund to expand the service in Portmore, Ocho Rios, and St. Anne's Bay.
Working in the emergency department for several years, practicing emergency medicine, you do realize that patients do come to you late. And sometimes the opportunity for doing more for them once they get there, the impact is less because they would have been out in the field for a long period after an accident or after having an event at home like a stroke, a heart attack. People are not sensitized enough to come early so that we can be able to intervene early. And there is a golden hour, after an incident happens, that if you intervene, the outcomes are going to be better. So having experienced that in the emergency department, you certainly would want, once given that opportunity, to bring them in earlier.
Under the Pre-Hospital Emergency Services Program, first responders are trained in life support to be able to recognize what's happening to clients and make appropriate interventions.
And my hope is that that will continue to grow from strength to strength as we get more sites on so that Jamaican people will have the opportunity to be able to call an ambulance when they need assistance and be able to take into hospital under care.
During her tenure, Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie played a significant role in Jamaica's preparedness for the threat of the Ebola virus and management of viral outbreaks such as the Zika, chikungunya, and dengue. In 2018, Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie was promoted to Chief Medical Officer, and her main interest since has been in strengthening the health system. Since February 2020, she has been at the forefront of managing the COVID-19 pandemic. Over the 2 years of the pandemic, she has been known for her critical analytical skills and swift, decisive actions.
We were able to detect early, we were able to contain, we were able to put in place measures. We responded early, and I think that saved a lot of lives and really protected the health system as well. So our vision for 2030 is healthy people, healthy environment. Our core values at the Ministry of Health and Wellness include integrity, honesty, quality. And so therefore, in moving forward, I think that if everybody has the vision as their vision, and if we develop a culture that embodies our core values, then I think that we will move forward in terms of delivering quality, comprehensive care to our population.